Finally, number 5. When people accuse Modi of not doing anything for minorities and being anti-minority, ignoring their plight, I laugh at their lack of intelligence and logic. अपनी रिपोर्ट कार्ड चेक करो, चौथी फेल नहीं, तुम तो तीसरी फेल हो भाई. Because the truth is the exact opposite. Fact is, Congress is a master at deception, while the BJP is a disaster at perception. Here is the hard data. Minorities before 2014, 20,000 skill trained, 5% with government jobs, 3 crore scholarships, 70% girls school dropout rate. And minorities after 2014 when Modi took over, 2 million skill trained, 10% with government jobs, 5 crore scholarships, free UPSC coaching, 30% girls school dropout rate. In fact, Modi has given scholarships to more Muslims than Manmohan Singh did. Has Modi reduced AMU funding? No. In fact, he has increased it, including a 90 crore topping up. While our Muslim population is 14.2%, as many as 31.3% of homes under the Awas Yojana, 33% of funds under Kisan Samman Nidhi, and 36% beneficiaries under Mudra Yojana have been Muslims. Pradhan Mantri Shadi Shagun scheme exclusively for Muslim girls who complete their graduation before marriage. They will get rupees 51,000. Housing, skilling, scholarships, government jobs. No other Prime Minister has comparatively done more for Muslims than Modi. On the other hand, Barack Obama, let us look at conditions of Muslims in a state that has never been ruled by the BJP and whose present and past chief ministers have gone out of the way to appease Muslims. Bengal. In Bengal, Muslims are poorer than any other community, with their population growing twice the rate of Hindus. According to the periodic labor force survey, only 13% Bengali Muslims have regular salaried jobs. Figure for India is 22.1%. 35% Bengali Muslims work as casual laborers. Figure for India is 24%. Muslim in Bengal earn 27 to 40% lower than Muslims in the rest of India. Muslims make up 30% of Bengal population, but only 7% of all university and college teachers in Bengal are Muslims. And if you discount madrasas, the figure is even more minuscule. Literacy rate for Muslims is 7% lower than state average. This, after 40 years of non-BJP rule, non-Hindutva rule, non-fascist rule, after 40 years of rule by those who claim to work for Muslims. Another example of discrimination is the Disturbed Areas Act, where a Muslim is forced to live in a Muslim ghetto and not mix. And who brought in this as a law? Yes, the Congress. But look at Muslims in BJP-ruled Gujarat. Their rural per capita income is higher than Hindus. They occupy same percentage of higher government posts as their population share. This is from a Sachar committee report. Their literacy rate is 6% higher than national average. Just 20 seconds. Muslims need to open their eyes and see Modi as a friend, not an enemy. Problem is, Hindus also need to open their eyes and see that they are being actively discriminated against all levels. So there you have it. I have now exposed Obama more than a drunk streaker did himself at Lord's. I hope better sense prevails and he sees the truth. But to do that, he'd have to stop reading New York Times and Washington Post. Would he do that? I doubt it. But then again, maybe he wants to read articles written by Modi in these newspapers. क्या करें बाबू भैया, सभी का घर शीशे का है.